Hi, I'm Jay Bretz with Excel Roofing. Today we're talking about a roofing material called DaVinci. DaVinci is a synthetic polymer. I like to call it plastic. The manufacturers don't like that so much. DaVinci has two different profiles. This is their cedar shake profile. This is their slate profile. They both look very good. I like the slate profile best on a Victorian style home, one with a very steep roof. That's where it really shows off this slate look. If I compared this to a piece of authentic natural Vermont slate, I don't think you could tell the difference side by side. Very good product. This is what the individual piece of shake looks like. We've installed many of these over the years. The customers have been very satisfied. The thing I really like about DaVinci, I've seen this go through hailstones 3 inches in size or bigger, which is big. We're talking like baseball, and it has not been damaged. This is one of the most hail-proof roofs on the market. It's very good. The cost of a DaVinci roof is going to be about 2.5 times what a typical asphalt roof would cost. If you have any questions, give the office a call or shoot us an email. I'm Jay. Thanks for watching.